Want to get the most out of your Amazon Fire Stick? Fret not, for we have come up with some of the best settings for your Fire Stick to elevate the streaming experience to the next level. So stick around till the end of this video and check out all the tips that I go through to further enhance your experience with your Fire Stick. Although Fire Sticks are tuned to output decent video quality, there are a few things that you can do to take the experience to the next level. To access the video settings on your Fire Stick, head over to the settings menu and select display and sounds. From the resultant menu, you can configure a multitude of settings to your liking. To start the config, tune the video resolution of your Fire Stick to match that of your TV, which is up to 4K, or set it to auto to let the Fire Stick choose the appropriate resolution. Next up is the match original frame rate setting that allows the Fire Stick to automatically adapt the TV output to that of the content transmitted. It's best to leave it enabled. With color depth, you get to choose between 8, 10 and 12-bit color options. Choose the spectrum that matches your TV, the more, the better. If you feel the need to adjust the Fire Stick output to stretch across the TV frame, do so with Calibrate Display. And finally, if your TV supports HDR, enable the same for your Fire Stick through the dynamic range settings. Streaming tends to consume a lot of data, and it could be a major contributor to your rising internet bills. Fortunately, you can limit the bandwidth consumed by your TV by configuring the data monitoring settings of your Fire Stick. To access the data monitoring settings, head over to the Settings tab and then select Preferences. Navigate to Data Usage Monitoring and enable this feature. Now you can configure the streaming quality, set up data alerts, and check just how much data was consumed by your applications. Privacy is a necessity in today's day and age, and tech giants, including Amazon, do not have a great rapport when it comes to how they use your data. By default, Fire Sticks do come with a few pre-configured settings enabled that are configured to collect and share certain sensitive information with Amazon. Fortunately, it is quite simple to disable them. All you need to do is head over to the Settings menu and then select Preferences. Select Privacy Settings and disable all three options that deal with sharing data. Don't worry, disabling these options won't affect the functionality of your Fire Stick. Not a lot of people know that the Fire TV OS is based on AOSP, similar to Google TV. Even though the Amazon app stores host a ton of apps to suit your needs, it doesn't even come close when compared to the vastness of Android or even the Google Play Store. Luckily, this is Android, so you do have the freedom of sideloading applications that you need from the internet. With ADB debugging enabled, you can connect a mouse or an external keyboard to your Fire Stick and navigate your apps like a pro. To access both these features, head over to the Settings tab and select My Fire TV. Now, you will need to enable developer options. For that, navigate to About and select your device's name 7 times until you see the command, "No need, you're already a developer." Now, go back to the My Fire TV menu and open the new Developer Options toggle and enable both the Install Unknown Apps and the ADB debugging options. Do note that you will need a supported browser and a file manager that allows you to download and install your sideloaded APKs onto your Fire Stick. Annoyed by the features section on your Fire TV home screen, which, if not configured, plays promoted content when you leave the Fire Stick idle? Well, I was, and all I did was disable some of the settings to end the annoying autoplay. To access the setting, select Preferences from the Settings menu and then select Featured Content. then disable both the resultant options. And that's pretty much all the configurations that I wanted to talk about in this video. Let me know if you'd like to see a part 2 of this. If you found this video useful, consider leaving your thoughts below, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more interesting Fire TV content like this.